In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a listing on Etsy. This is perfect when you have similar products or want to reuse a layout that already works. It keeps your shop consistent and saves time while still allowing you to customize details for each item. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. This helps you land on the official site without relying on old bookmarks. In the search results, click the top result for Etsy to go straight to the home page. If you like, glance at the address bar and confirm you're on the secure Etsy domain before moving on. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account. Use the Sign In button at the top right and enter your credentials. If you use security prompts or two-factor authentication, complete those as usual. Make sure you're logging into the account that owns the shop you want to manage. After signing in, open your account menu and head into Account Settings. This is a quick way to confirm you're in the right place and that your shop details are linked to the correct profile. Next, navigate to your Shop Manager. You can access it from the top menu or from the Account dropdown. Shop Manager is the control center for your store, where you'll find orders, messages, stats, and importantly for today, your listings. Once you're inside Shop Manager, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Listings. This opens your full catalog, including active items, drafts, and sold-out products, depending on your filters. Now, locate the listing you want to duplicate. You can scroll through the grid, use the search bar, or adjust filters to find it faster. Click to select the listing so that its options become available. When the listing is selected, look for the gear icon, sometimes shown as a small cog. Click that icon and then choose Copy. Etsy will create a new draft based on the original listing, bringing over photos, titles, descriptions, variations, and pricing. From here, review the draft to make it unique. Update the title to reflect the specific product, adjust variations like size or color, and double-check pricing, quantity, SKU, tags, and shipping profiles so they match the new item. This helps avoid duplicate content issues and ensures accurate inventory. When the details look good, you're ready to finalize the listing as you normally would. That's the process. Open Etsy, sign in, check account settings, go to Shop Manager, open listings, select the item, and use the gear icon to copy. Simple, fast, and consistent.